Hi guys, I am back once again for another video as promised. Today I'm going to be showing you what I do with my hair when I don't properly wrap my hair at night. As some of you may know, I have a newborn and every now and then my nights can be a little unpredictable. So I don't always get a chance to do the banding method like I showed you. In that case, usually I fall asleep with my hair wild, and that's what happened last night. So as you can see, this is a wash and go and this is day 3 hair, but I did not wrap it and protect it last night, so it's a little frizzy. You know, it's actually not too bad. I could typically wear it like this, but the frizz in the back is bothering me a little bit. So I'm just going to show you guys very quickly how I achieve my puff, and this works perfectly for times where a style may have failed. You may have done a twist out last night, or braid out, or bantu knot, or wash and go, and it didn't work out right. So I'm just going to show you a really quick way to preserve your hairstyle and still look cute. So all you're going to need is some kind of water. I'm using my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Extra Moisturizing Detangler. I use this for my babies and I also use it on myself. I have my handy dandy pick here that I will be needing. And then I have 2 brushes. This is to brush all of my hair up, and then I have a smaller brush just for my edges. I use that in place of a toothbrush every now and then. And then I have my handy dandy Wet Line Extreme Gel, which has become a staple in my natural hair care. And then of course my Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. So first I take a little bit of the castor oil on my hands, just a tiny bit. Just like that. And I'm going to take that and I just kind of put it all over my hair, just to put some kind of something in my hair. So next we are going to be needing a hair tie. Now because my hair is very short, I like to give the appearance that my puff is much bigger than it really is. So I use the Goody it's not a headband, Goody hair ties. This is the size of it, so it's not too big. This is what I use. So now we're going to go through, just spray our hair just pretty much around the edges. I'm not going to get my hair soaking wet because then it will revert and shrink up and defeat the whole purpose. So with my mirror right here, so I spray a little bit. I take my hair tie, place it around my neck like a choker, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of gel, and we're just going to start pushing that gel right here on my hairline. Just like that. Same thing on this side here. And then I also put a little bit in on the back here. And then we're going to take our brush and we're just going to softly push back these edges. So not too far back, but just enough. Take that hair tie and pull it up. Pull it up around my head here. And then this is the part where you kind of create the magic, because the wider the elastic is, the bigger the puff is going to look. So first I start by pushing the back up. Because the back of my hair is much shorter, I don't push it up too far. In fact, when I get right to where my short hairs are, I take a bobby pin and I just simply pin the back of that elastic in place so that way it stays right where I want it to. And then on the sides, we're going to slowly lift up here. So get it to about there. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So we're just slowly pushing, tugging, and rearranging until you get the desired look. So I push it up like that. Once I have my puff pretty much where I want it to go, I take another bobby pin and bobby pin right here to keep that band in place. So this is how we're looking. As you can see, because my hair is somewhat fresh, it's a little flat. So that's where the pick comes in handy. So you're going to take your pick and you're simply going to fluff and make that puff nice and full. I do the same thing right in here. Fluff to give it some height. Just like that. Help if you guys could see it, huh? Just like that. So this is how I achieve the puff. In most cases you can stop here, but me and baby hairs. So I'm actually going to go in with my Wetline Extreme Gel once again, and we're just going to place it, not that much, we're just going to place it right here on these little edges. My edges are somewhat thin right now. I'm still recovering from postpartum shedding from Jackson, my middle son. He's only 1, so my hair is still kind of recovering. And then I also have a newborn, so my hair is a little all over the place. But we're going to take that gel, and then we're going to take this small brush, and it's a Diane brush. I want to say got this from Cosmoprof. We're just going to take this and we're just going to slick. I don't do too much with my baby hair, but I do like them to be laid. So then we're going to do this. And that's pretty much it. Really simple. Just like that, you guys. That is the puff. Done. Really, really easy way for you to preserve a style that just did not come out right. And then you can always try again later on that evening. So yeah, this is how we achieve the puff. I am in this hairstyle 9 times out of 10 is typically a wash and go or a puff. That's what I do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.